Spotify has just announced a cool new in-app experience called Playlist in a Bottle. The only problem? Well, you have to wait almost a full year to actually see it. As Spotify puts it, it lets you revisit your 2023 musical self 1 year later. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Playlist in a Bottle so that it's ready to go in as little as 352 days. This feature can be used by both free and paid users, so it's open to everyone, providing you live in one of the 27 countries it's being rolled out in. Okay folks, let's get right into it. First, you want to open up your browser and in the search bar type in www.spotify.com/playlist in a bottle. And then here, it will ask you to open up Spotify, so go ahead and click open. From here, the Playlist in a Bottle interface will show up with a number of cool looking metallic icons rotating around on your screen. Click Get Started, and on the following screen, you'll then have to cycle through the different time capsules and pick which one you'd like to see your playlist linked with. The options are an actual bottle, a tiny pocket in your jeans, a gumball machine, a lunchbox, a teddy bear, and last but not least, a little acorn. So as much as it's called a playlist in a bottle, it could really be called playlist in a lunchbox or even playlist in a gumball machine, for instance, just really depending on your personal taste and preference. Once you've chosen, go ahead and click Next. On this page, you will choose a song to match the question that Spotify randomly comes up with. As you can see, the question's at the top, along with a button underneath that lets you choose a new question if you want, and a further button on the right where you can randomly populate a song. However, if you think of a song that suits the question, go right ahead and type it in the empty box. And it should appear as you type, and once you're happy, click on Next again. Other example questions Spotify use are a song you're going to kiss someone to this year, a song that reminds you of your favourite person, and a song you need to hear live in 2023. Once you've chosen songs for the 3 questions you're happy with, you'll see this screen, where you can either edit them again by pressing Add Songs, or, if you're happy enough, then press Lock In. Warning, you only get one playlist, so press Lock In wisely, or be it your Spotify pearl. From here, Spotify will seal your playlist, as you can see, and then you're good to go. You're given the option here to share a personalised card to your social media accounts, but if you don't want to do that, just press the X in the top left and then the backwards arrow on the previous page and you'll be brought right back to Spotify again. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and turn those notifications on to see all of my latest content, and if you're new to Spotify, watch this video on how to install Spotify and create an account.